But I think the replacing the air filter in Ducato 2.3 is usually replacing air filter is simply, and here is very simply just what we need is a quite longer, maybe not longer, just screwdriver, that's it. Preferably with magnetic bit, but not always. And let's start. When you pop up the bonnet, here is a filter cover with some screws. It's not so bad with access, but of course I think preferable is use the screwdriver with magnetic bit, just not to lose these screws. Let's try to open it. Ay, 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 ay. This time with proper bit. It's not like a factory, it looks like a factory. It looks like it means somebody lost these screws earlier. Second, definitely it's not factory. Oh no, these are not factory either. And one. Okay. Take out, like you see, it's a simply job. Generally we have two kinds of, well, maybe more, but two kinds of filters, and one of them have this kind of filtering mat outside, and it's because of this it's better, it's lasts a bit longer. So if we have a choice, this is better, and it's just same under the mat. Yep, it's like that. And of course this is the old one and the new one, and you see the difference. Okay, let's fit this new one. Of course this better. Okay, and right now I will try to find something more proper. It means more automotive or something like that. This is from automotive. Let's take a look. It will be enough long. Jeez. Let's try here. Better access. I not tight screws to the end from the beginning. Okay, so end of story.